You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.
Talk to me now.
Stop. We'll come back to daytime live.
Yeah.
We're outside.
That's what the song says. All right, he's a Grammy-nominated producer, a beatmaker, of course, and the boss of EU Records, Brandon Shakespeare. He's joining us right now to talk about his brand new rhythm, this one that you're playing here, Seh.
That's the name of the rhythm?
Seh.
Seh. Are the rhythm that?
Seh, the rhythm name, but because Govana said, Before we even get into the rhythm, you see me over here already, so you're not going to ask no question.
I see.
Why look like your side gone home, sir?
Oh, you know.
We can't look for your face. What side is your team?
Germany and my team.
Oh, first to go home.
But first victim, you know. That's when your mother beat you first, so you cool off quick.
I'm vexed to them, I'm vexed to them, I swear.
Are you one of those people who is now watching all the other teams praying they suffer too?
Yes. Yeah.
Wow.
What are the next two teams you want to go home?
One of them go.
Argentina
Spain, more France win. I like France.
You want France?
Yeah,
I like France. I like France.
I'm good, you.
I like France.
Come down now.
Listen to me, we don't want to talk to you no more.
Next match, me I watch him.
All right.
All right.
Yeah.
I mean, with a rhythm like this, of course, you've been hearing it, but do you know from the outset when you produce a rhythm like this, create a rhythm like this, that this, or find it, like this is going to be a bang?
Not from the outset. I think I get a week, and if I come back and the same feeling, the same vibe, I know so this bad. Because in the moment, everything sounds bad still. When you just build something, everything sounds bad.
That's why sometimes them say, sleep on it.
Yeah, right. When you wake up.
That's sometimes
Overnight.
Some food.
Overnight.
Yeah, man. That's something there.
The season is soaking properly.
Overnight food you eat.
It's a bit of a soaking, I said.
Yeah, it's soaking.
So hold on. When you created a rhythm, do you normally have someone in mind? Let me say, I like how this person sounds on a rhythm I've created before or on a particular rhythm. So let me create it around a particular person and then we go from there, or you just put it together and then you hear, maybe in the back of your mind, who would sound good on this?
Both, really both. I try not to limit the creativity, so every time I think about an artist, I might get stuck. Sometimes I just make something and then afterwards I think, wow. And then also, when you just create fluidly without thinking about an artist, I might play something for an artist but they never would have imagined to them would have sing for still. That's what I say. So,
and you surprise them and you surprise yourself at the same time.
Yeah.
For this rhythm in particular, how long did it take for you to come up with a concept from and to this is the finished product?
The instrumental itself? The instrumental itself?
The instrumental.
I was pretty quick to be 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Yeah.
From start to finish?
I remember in the night.
You were inspired by something or you sat down and said, I'm going to create something now?
It was a regular day. I just sit down and say, I built 2 rhythms, 9. It was a regular day, you see me?
Who's the first artist who heard it?
Who heard it?
Yeah.
Both are the first artists I heard it.
Send it to him or like him walk in the studio and play it and him and say,
I said that body and I said, that body man. I said, keep that.
Him get it and made it out.
Oh, you sent it to him?
Yeah, and then him come to the studio and surprise me. I'm seeing it out loud first and I'm just saying,
And then to add to that though, to put Jada Kingdom on that, then that probably take it to another level because then you have Jada representing for the girls and then go for the thugs them and the girl them the same way.
Let me this.
True.
Sorry, put it there.
Right. So is the Govana and Jada, is that one song or 2 separate songs?
No, so Govana has the original and Jada remixed. So, big up to Govana because he did get Jada up on the remix and surprised me with that one. He did wow me again, as I say. So Govana Miss is the original, then the Miss remix with Jada.
With Jada.
And Govana.
Because when you hear Govana's flow, you say that bad. You hear the Jada flow, you say, yo, this badder. Do you plan on
More songs?
sending it to more females to jump on stream, or do you have any that in mind that you say, say, I would love to do something with her, whether it's a Jamaican artist or not?
Yeah. You know, actually, I never thought about more females. I have more artists on the rhythm still, but enough more females still. That's actually a good idea, Simona. Like,
You see some producer. You see some producer.
A good idea.
Which female jump on your mind a while ago? You say, like ideally, you could make a call right now.
Mine and Ashley. Oh, Shani. Mine and Ashley was the two names to my head still.
No, right now we're seeing when rhythms are being released, people would normally just put out their own versions and then it becomes something official. Are you up for that as well? Have you had any of that happen with the rhythm?
I've been pondering on it, but I still have other artist songs.
That you want to put out first, right? Officially.
Exactly.
So are you systematically releasing the songs, and who can we look forward to?
Yes, systematically, yes, you have to work with artist timing as well still. So I have Armani and Najiri left, as I say, so I try wheeling up
Armani's on one right now.
I dropped Ding Dong Friday actually. As I say, so I'm actually going to promote that out.
DJ Mario, find the Ding Dong now, because we're going to play it afterwards.
Yeah, Ding Dong.
You have it? Alright.
Yeah, as I say, I dropped the Ding Dong Friday, I have Armani and Najiri, and I have Young Brother music video I want to shoot. Yeah.
So how do you find you on social media for persons who want to keep up with what you're doing, probably your creative process in making these rhythms and all of that, the rollouts?
Yeah, on Instagram, Shakespeare Prod, Shakespeare PROD, and TikTok are the same thing, and Twitter, Shakespeare Pro _.
You know, this is a year of rhythm.
No, I like it, I like it, because I'm from the old school of rhythm days, when juggling used to run the place.
And it's feel good rhythm too.
Yeah, man,
You understand? So, so after we had the last two, and then now, like Shakespeare said, yes!
Sweet spot, I know, right?
Jump in a conversation.
Quick and fast.
Are you already thinking about your next project?
Yeah, I've been other stuff put on to me. I was working. With other artists?
No, you say you have other things put on waiting.
Yeah.
That's like,
yeah, we just did that waiting. Because time is essential.
True.
Right. You can just throw them out.
All right. So, Shakespeare, big up yourself. DJ Mars is going to play the Ding Dong and the Miss. Of course, a great vibe. Daytime live, we're outside. Right here, we'll soon forward back. Take a quick break. I've got more. All right now.
You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.